Hello good people, I'm going to talk about standard deviation. Standard deviation indicates the spread of data around the mean value. Before I explore the calculation of the standard deviation, it would be a good idea to get a conceptual understanding of what it actually is. To that end, here are two targets. Now let's assume we throw some paintballs at them. The left one is hit with 10 green paintballs, while the right one is hit with 10 blue paintballs. The mean distance to the center is indicated by this bright blue circle. In both cases, the mean distance is the same. However, the spread of hits around the mean is not identical. In case of the target on the left, the individual green hits are further apart from the mean than is the case with the blue hits on the right target. The blue hits on the right target are clustered closer to the mean. In terms of standard deviations, we would say that the hits on the target to the right have a smaller standard deviation than the hits of the target to the left. So even though the mean might be the same, the standard deviation will not necessarily be the same. The calculation of the standard deviation is a little bit tricky, as it requires the calculation of the variance first. So what is the formula that we need to use? Standard deviation, which has this Greek lowercase sigma as its symbol, is equal to the square root of the variance. An understandable next question would be, well, how do we calculate the variance? Well, we have a formula for that too. Variance equals the sum of all x values minus the mean, so minus x bar, squared. And all of that over n. Now this might look scary, but remember what these terms stand for. X is a value within the data set, x bar is the mean, and n is the number of values within the data set. We can combine these two formulas into a single formula for standard deviation. And it would be sigma, or standard deviation, equals the square root of sum of all x values minus x bar squared over n. Using this formula, we can calculate the standard deviation, which will give us the average difference between a value within the dataset and the mean of the dataset. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.